What's going on, guys? Today we are going to learn how to turn off Android safe mode. The steps are very easy, so you should not have any problem turning your safe mode off. Now, as you already know, safe mode prohibits you to use any downloaded apps. This is because it is a diagnostic tool to determine what causes your device issues. As useful it may be, it can also be accidentally turned on. You'll know it's turned on because you will see the text Safe Mode on the bottom left corner of your Android smartphone. Right now, I am going to teach you how to turn off your Android smartphone's safe mode. To turn off safe mode, all you have to do is drag the slider down to look at the notifications. And there should be an option that says tap to turn off safe mode. Once you have tapped that, your phone will reboot and congratulations, you have successfully turned off safe mode. However, if it does not have that option, all you have to do is manually reboot your phone. To do that, just hold your power button and tap restart or reboot. If it still does not work, the last thing you can do is hold on the power button and volume down key simultaneously. This will reboot your phone and safe mode should be turned off. And that is how to turn off Android safe mode. If you would like more videos like this one, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell so you can stay updated with our content. Sharing the video also supports the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, just let us know in the comment section below and we'll try to answer your question or make a video about it. Thank you for watching.